Samay, one question to you. If you had to call as judges in the Late Show, 4 players about 2700,
So nice.
whom would you consider shortlist?
Indians or world over?
No,
World
any
over.
globally,
Global.
it's fine.
ऐसे तो मैग्नस
अरे वाह.
व्लादिमीर क्रैमनिक
Let's start the.
हैंस नीमन
Oh.
और हिकारू नाकामुरा and of
अनीश गिरी को
course
भूल गए भाई.
अनीश आगे परफॉर्म करेगा ना स्टैंड अप
Wow, क्या
Nice,
panel!
यार.
What a panel it will
Exciting.
be! What a panel it will be. Magnus, Hikaru, Neiman, and one more was.
क्रैमनिक.
व्लादिमीर क्रैमनिक
मोबाइल फोन से हम रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं क्या?
कहो.
You can buy
Yeah,
a.
Abid is definitely smiling. I think he's WhatsApping.
or is watching India's Got Latent members only episodes which you can also for 60 rupees only.
Or he just bought the chess.com membership.
Yeah, 7 days are free. He's enjoying it.
Just 7 days guys.
Or definitely he didn't buy Chessbase. Otherwise he would have been seriously
Yeah.
analyzing.
If he had bought Chessbase, he would be playing one of. Like, do you think Magnus is following this live?
He follows everything. He was on a vacation in Mexico and European Club Cup was going on. I thought ये तो नहीं देखते रहेंगे. He knew all the games. किसको plus था, किसको
I mean the
minus था.
games. He looks at the games.
Yeah, he knew
Commentary नहीं
everything.
देखेगा. वो थोड़ी ना इतना
हाँ,
time
वो
waste
तो
करेगा.
देखना भी नहीं चाहिए, but
No, he was watching everything.
wow.
So I think Magnus really loves
Yeah,
chess.
and you
Ah,
know,
yeah?
and he said that.
नहीं बहुत.
That's
But
such a big.
the thing is,
that's
there
such
are some people who are very good at what they do and they don't love it. You know, and they just like they just show their talent in when they play.
You
But
can be good and not love it, but you can't be the goat and not love it.
True.
I don't think so.
You have to
I
have
think
passion
at
to
that
be a
level
goat.
you
Yeah.
probably have to. And he's always said that chess is also his favorite hobby.
Like,
So to him, it's
Are we
not
really
work.
discussing if Magnus loves chess
Yeah.
or not? Yeah.
No, I think
like
he
for
does.
example, let's say you are a very good
I
stand-up
love
comedian. So like, if any point, can you just watch and you can keep on doing? You want to take break, right? Sometime from it.
Yeah.
So then it means that.
But I still love it. If
But
I
he
still
never
hear a
takes
good
a
joke.
break. He's always watching something or the other.
That's why
He
he's the
said-
goat, no?
Yeah, that's why he loves, no? Because he said that it's his
Yeah,
favorite
maybe-
hobby when
maybe
he
to
was
become
on
a
a
goat,
vacation.
perhaps you have to love it.
Yeah, excessively. So you think Magnus is the goat in
Yes.
that goat debate?
Yes,
He's the
of
goat.
course.
Sagar,
Sorry.
in the goat debate.
What is
Yeah,
a debate,
Magnus
by
is
the
the-
way? I don't think there's a
the
debate.
Is, I mean, whenever the players are spoken, there's Gary on that list. There's Magnus, of course. And Fisher sometimes is also in that list. But I think usually it's between Gary and Magnus is the...
No, but clearly Magnus is the goat.
Yeah, I think Magnus. I mean, it's
It's very difficult to say
Personally.
that because we are following Magnus so closely. If we were active during Gary era, we would have definitely felt that because he was winning everything.
And for 20 years, he was world number one.
He was winning just so actually, you know, at that point we were not following chess so closely.
But
I
also the
think it's
kind
more
of chess.
difficult to. I mean, Gary had the world championship for a long time, but Magnus was willing to let it go. So, letting go is more powerful than holding it, I think. If you really love her, let her go types.
That song, no?
Let her go.
If it's meant
You
for
know
you,
or
it
something?
will come back. I wonder if the world championship title will come back to Magnus.
So that's some goat behavior, yeah. This is what I'm saying.
I don't
Also, everything around his aura, भाई. वो साइकिल पे आता है, कभी शर्टलेस आता है, कभी लेट आता है, फिर पीस एडजस्ट कर रहा है. ये सब चीजें.
But if
He's
we
an eccentric
want,
person.
I'm saying if we want something,
He has
we
the
have to let it
eccentricity.
go, right? Let's see if our watching right now when we take a break, we are letting it go.